Has underscore next in Python iterators. Haven't Python iterators got a has underscore next method?
The alternative to catching stop iteration is to use next iterator default underscore value. For example, this way you can check for none to see if you've reached the end of the iterator if you don't want to do it the exception way. If your iterable can contain none values, you'll have to define a sentinel value and check for it instead.
No, there is no such method. The end of iteration is indicated by an exception. See the documentation.
No, but you can implement your own iterable wrapper class that does. Then you can use it like this. And it will emit.
In addition to all the mentions of stop iteration, the Python for loop does what you want.
You can tee the iterator using itertools.t and check for stop iteration on the teed iterator.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.